Okay, these are the Costco enamel coated. This is a 2-pot or 4-piece set. They have this enamel in there, and you're not supposed to do that with them, but beat them around, that is. So they've got a nice enamel coating on the inside. They are pretty heavy. They're pretty good. Seemingly they're built pretty good. The lid, the screw for the lid there seems pretty robust, and there is a washer underneath it. They came in red, and then they got this turquoise. It's kind of a dark turquoise color. That's the small one, and then the big one, same kind of model. These are made in China. I don't know the brand name, Tramontina or something. Not really sure. But they came in a pretty big box. Here's some of the material they came with. Just random stuff. Ah, Cooper. Hi, Cooper. He's excited. We're going to make him food in these pots. He's running my feet over now. But either way, let me put this down over there. You know, they're pretty good thickness. I don't know what you call that. 1/4 or 3/8 inch of a wall. So they're pretty good size. They were, I think they were $69.99 at Costco, which for a 4-piece set that looks like this is pretty good. I think they'll work. They'll work just fine. So yeah, we got them at Costco. First time we ever went to Costco, and that's what they look like. So pretty cool.